Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. And what I wanted to talk to you about this afternoon is what happened in the market today, okay? Because we started out around 41.31. I did have some support on our 120-minute chart, which is not this chart, for that setup this morning, okay? But what you didn't see, if you are not in the room, is you did not see I had in the room here resistance and timing, and look what happened. We came up to that resistance. We had a timing for a high. That's what you see in the lower left hand corner here. Timing for a high, resistance, and bam, what happened? Then we took out that overnight low, okay? That was a 21-point drop. So this is why you need to be in our room if you're not in our room at this time, is because this is the kind of things that we're showing you live in the room every day. So what I want to show you now is what I've got on the 120-minute chart. I do have a setup zone for you coming in around 41.02 to 09. We have bounced on the way up. We've got resistance coming in anywhere 41.35 to 41.40. 41.45 to 47, and then if that low from today is any good, your target's going to be 42.03 and 42.28. But I want you to be a very cautious bull until we get through this resistance. And something else I want you to realize is that the 8 and the 34 have crossed to the downside on the 120-minute chart. We're still looking good on the daily as far as the moving averages are concerned. But see, we're still above the 200, the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are still on a buy. But on the 120-minute chart, we have crossed over to the downside. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me